Hey guys, welcome to the Dividend Growth Machine YouTube channel. My name's Nathan, and today we're going to be talking about a question from James. James asks, my portfolio is doing great. I need an easy way to identify new stocks to add that meet my criteria. Do you know of any free resources or resources that are reasonably priced? I asked James what his specific criteria were for his particular portfolio, and he commented back that he would like stocks that are priced between $15 and $20, and he wants a payout of 35 cents and higher. He also wants a 20-year history of steady dividend payout, low volatility, and it can either be US or foreign. I wanted to comment real quick on James's requirement for a $15 to $20 price range. I'm not sure what James is after here with this, but I'll just say broadly, if you're paying attention to stock price as a criteria for making decisions, stop doing that today. The actual value of the shares has nothing to do with the price they trade at. The only thing that matters is what you're getting per share. So in this particular example, James says that he wants a quarterly payout of 35 cents or higher. So that would be an annualized, let me switch colors real quick. That's going to be an annualized payout of about 7%. So 35 times 4 equals $1.40 per year dividend. Oops. And if we divide that by his $20 high stock price range, that gets us to a dividend yield of 7%. Now this is the number you really are caring about in this particular situation. Doesn't matter how much the dividend is, doesn't matter how much the price is trading at. All that matters is what is the dividend relative to the price. That's the relevant metric here. So when we look at the stock screen, this is what we're going to look at. Does it have a 7% yield or higher? I think that's what James is really after here. He also noted, so this is 1, he wants a 7% yield. 2, he wants 20 years of dividend history. He also says he wants low volatility. Now, low volatility, James, I'm assuming by this you're referencing beta. That's the most commonly used metric to determine volatility. Could also look at standard deviation. My personal favorite's downside deviation. But for this particular case, the Zacks free stock screener only lets us use beta. So that's what I'm going to use here. We're going to say a beta of less than 1 is what you're looking for. So let's take a look and see if we can build this. So I'm going to scroll over here to Zacks.com. You can click on screening and do the stock screener. And first, just a quick lay of the land here. We've got on the left a bunch of categories that we can choose from. So let's say, for example, we want to do price and price changes. You see this is where we're going to find lots of momentum metrics. This is also where we find beta. So here James would like a beta of less than or equal to 1. So once you determine what you want, click add. It's going to go ahead and pull that in, and you'll see that we have 3,842 different matches for James with just this beta. We're then going to click on here down to dividend. We want a dividend yield of greater than or equal to 7%. I'm going to add that. You can see our field is now 184. Now this stock screener does not have, unfortunately, a number of years of growth or number of years of payout. So James, we can't use your 20-year history. To try to simulate that to some degree, let's just go ahead and do a 5-year historical dividend growth rate of at least positive, so at least greater than or equal to 0.1%. I'm going to go ahead and add that. So now we know the company has at least paid a dividend for 5 years, and then you can do additional research on your own to determine if they meet other criteria. But you can see here that we very quickly eliminated thousands of companies and gotten it down to a much more manageable list of 80 stocks for James to take a look at. So let's go ahead and click Run Screen. It's going to pull up a list of all the ticker symbols and then all the current statistics for that particular company. And then one really handy thing I like about this screener is you can export to Excel. So click Export, click Download. Hopefully those tips can help you guys. If you have any questions about this or any other topic related to dividend investing, leave a comment in the section below. James, appreciate your question. Hope that's helpful.